Hi, my name is Mark Anthony Peterson, founder and CEO of Ziscuit. In this video, we're going to show you how to shop the ingredients that are stored with each of your recipes so that you can find the lowest cost for making really good food. Now, first, I want you to log into the platform and navigate to your recipes, which are listed here under the hamburger menu item, third from the bottom. When you click on that, all the recipes that you have stored, those you've created and those you've uploaded, will show up. When you're ready to start shopping one of these to add to your shopping cart, first just click on the recipe you'd like to shop. You'll get the full menu of how to cook it and all the ingredients, the cooking directions, a little bit about the author. This is one that I created. And then any reviews or comments, individuals who've uploaded your recipe will be posted here to the platform. Now, when you're ready to go shop this and make this dish for yourself, there's a little button here labeled Add to Cart. That's going to take each of the ingredients, so each of these items, and give you the opportunity to select the cheapest ingredients right from our database and start shopping them. So when I click this button, it's going to bring up a row of items for each ingredient in the platform, and all you have to do is select the item you want to add to the cart. So if you remember from the previous page, the first ingredients were green peppers. So now you can go in and search through all the different types of products that are green peppers and add that to your cart. To add to the cart, you just click the item and add it to your cart. And the list is set up for each item: vegetable broth, spinach, okra, onion, extra virgin olive oil. Each of the ingredients, you get to scroll through the database and find the cheapest cost option that you can add to your cart and make this delicious callaloo dish. I hope this helps you show how easy it is to find low-cost food on the Ziscuit platform. If you have any questions, contact us at info@ziscuit.shop. Have a great day.